Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a Korean beauty haul plus review to share with you guys. I haven't done a K-beauty haul in a very long time, and I think it's because I have a lot of beauty products. So every time I want to buy something new with my own money, I just think I still have a lot of beauty products at home waiting for me to test, so I just end up not buying. But yeah, today I have new products to review and share with you guys because my Quiza very kindly sent me a box filled with various K-beauty products from different brands that I've never tried before. So my Quiza is an online store that offers a good variety of non-mainstream Korean brands such as Huxley, Pony Effect, iMimi, and a lot more. They also offer free shipping as well as free samples with every order, so make sure to check them out if you're interested in K-beauty as well. So without further ado, let's begin with the review. So I'm going to begin with skincare products from the brand called Actwell, and I've heard of this brand before but I've never actually tried their products prior to receiving this box because it's not the kind of brand where you can easily find in stores. So the very first product I have is the Actwell pH Micro Balancing Cleanser. This cleanser is formulated at a low pH level to help balance the pH levels of our skin. I've talked about the importance of pH levels of our skin in a couple of my skincare related videos, but basically if the pH levels of our skin is too high, it can cause our skin to be dry and sensitive, which is not good for people with either dry or oily skin. This cleanser also contains plant-based ingredients to help nourish your skin while you cleanse it. So this has been my cleanser for the past like 2 weeks, and this reminds me of a gel cleanser because it doesn't foam up as well as a foamy cleanser, and it also has a really mild, like milky fragrance, which I think is nice because it's not something too overpowering and it doesn't smell artificial as well. Since I have acne at the moment, I do prefer something that is a lot more gentle, so I do like this cleanser because I feel like it does a great job in keeping my face clean without being too harsh. The next product from Actwell is their Daily Sun Control Emulsion, which is essentially a sunscreen. So this sunscreen comes with SPF 50+, PA+++, and apart from just being a plain old sunscreen, this product also has moisturizing functions, and it also claims to be able to help with excessive oil and sebum production, which I'm not 100% sure of because I've used this sunscreen on its own without any makeup, and I still get shiny in the afternoon. Like usually I will get shiny in the afternoon, but after using this sunscreen, I still get shiny in the afternoon, so I'm not very sure about its ability to help control excessive oil production. Regardless, this sunscreen has a lightweight, non-sticky texture which makes it easy to blend out. So this sunscreen has a very mild brightening effect, which is nice if you have dull skin and you want something that can help brighten up your complexion. I'm still using this sunscreen because I really like the lightweight texture, and it doesn't have a strong scent to it as well. But at the same time, I feel like this sunscreen would be more suitable for people with drier skin. Moving on to the next brand, I have a moisturizer and a bunch of cosmetics from the brand called Giverny, but I'll talk about the moisturizer first. So here I have the Giverny White Blooming Cream, and I chose this product because I have dull skin, and even so, I don't think I've ever used a brightening moisturizer. Like so far, all the moisturizers I've used are for acne or anti-aging. So this time around, I decided to try out a brightening moisturizer. So this moisturizer is silver in color, which I thought looks very cool, and even though the texture is a little bit thick, it does get absorbed in very quickly, which makes it suitable for day and night use. Okay, so to be honest, I haven't actually used this product a lot because I'm currently facing an acne breakout, so I am trying to focus on healing my acne problems first. But I feel like this product will be very helpful after I've cured my acne because this will be able to help brighten up my complexion and hopefully lighten the acne scars that I have. So moving on to the makeup products from Giverny, I've actually created this makeup look using all the products. So while I talk about the products, I'll also share with you guys the makeup look that I did, so you can not only know more about the products, but you can also see what it actually does. So the first step is of course our base, so I'll be using the Giverny Milchak Cover Cushion. This cushion has a beautiful medium to high coverage that was able to even out my overall skin tone and cover up any redness from my acne with just a light layer. It also has a special tight fit formula that will give your pores a smoother appearance. In addition, this cushion also has SPF 50, which is always a plus. Next up, we got a conceal, so I'm using the Milchak Multi-Spot Corrector in the shade Natural. This concealer comes with a brush applicator, so I just apply the concealer directly onto my eyes before blending it out further with a beauty blender. I have some spots that I wish to conceal, so for those I'll be using my fingers to avoid contaminating the brush. I'm not sure if you guys can see from the footage, but this concealer has a really lightweight and smooth texture, but even so, I feel like it does a great job in brightening my under eye areas. After I did my brows, it is time for eyeshadows. So first I will be using the Giverny Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow in Posh Gold. This is a warm bronzy gold shade and it's super pigmented. I decided to use this as my main eyeshadow shade today because it is so glittery, and since it is a liquid eyeshadow, once it sets, it stays on your lids for the entire day. So I apply this liquid eyeshadow by putting a decent amount onto my lids and then pat it out or spread it out with my fingers, and then I wait for it to dry or set before I put on the next layer. For this look, I did a total of 3 layers because I wanted something more loud and bold. To add more colors to my eyes, I will be using the Giverny Milchak Longwear Shadow Stick in the shade Pink Beige. This is a lovely pearly pink shade, and the fact that it is a stick eyeshadow makes it super easy to apply on my lower lash line and inner corners. Since this product is called a Longwear shadow, it is water and sweat resistant, making it long lasting. After that, I make sure to blend out any harsh edges with my fingers as well. Because I'm filming, I wanted a look that is more loud and dark, so I did add a couple of my own eyeshadows to the look. Moving on to eyeliner, I will be using the Giverny Sensitive Deep Liner in the shade Deep Brown. And if you guys didn't know, these sort of brush liners are my favorite, and I love this eyeliner because of its sharp tip. My eyes are already pretty big, so my eyeliner is always very thin and fine, which is why I think this eyeliner is perfect for drawing thin and precise lines. As you can see, this eyeliner is also very pigmented and it's also water and smudge proof. Next up is mascara, and this Giverny Sensitive Brush Mascara comes with the slimmest brush ever. This slim brush is specifically designed for Asian eyes as it is able to coat every single lash, including the corners as well as under lashes. I do not have the habit of putting mascara on my under lashes, so I'm going to skip that. Thanks to the brush and the formula, this mascara is non-clumpy, making my lashes look very natural. In addition, it is also water and smudge proof. The final step after I've contoured and applied my blush is our lips. So for my lips, I will be sharing with you guys 2 options because I have 2 products, and initially I wanted to wear them together, you know, do like a gradient look or something, but I really like how they look on their own, so I just wanted to share them with you guys individually. So starting with the first lip product, I have the Giverny 95% Natural Lip Glow in the shade Deep Orange. This is a tinted lip gloss and it comes with a plastic tip. So to apply this product, all you gotta do is to twist it to dispense a suitable amount before applying it onto your lips. I'm not sure if you can tell from the footage, but it has a lovely glossy finish thanks to the oil ingredients found in this lip product that will also help moisturize your lips. This is an orange reddish shade that looks kind of bold from the packaging, but once you apply it onto your lips, you'll realize that it's actually very natural looking and wearable for any occasions. The last product I have is the Creamy Tint Lipstick in Blooming Coral. You guys know that I love my corals, and so I just had to go with a coral lipstick. This is a lighter shade compared to the tinted lip glow, and it has a creamy and moisturizing finish. I think this shade really complements most of the pink, orange and red looks I've been wearing. So those are all the full-size products I received from Actwell, and like I mentioned, they also gave me a couple of samples like the Giverny Milchak Cover Foundation, a couple of sleeping packs from Actwell, a sheet mask, and a bunch of really cute stickers. Oh, and they also gave me this really cute pouch. So yeah, if you're interested to shop on Actwell, I'll leave the link to them in the description box, and I also have a discount code for you guys, so I'll leave it in the description box as well, so make sure you open that up. So with that said, we've come to the end of today's video. As usual, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Bye!